So let's get started by changing the magnification. Magnifying the worksheet changes how much of the worksheet you see. It allows you to zoom in to see details for a specific part of the sheet or zoom out to see a wider selection and layout. To start, we're going to go to the View tab. And in the Zoom group, you'll notice that I have a zoom, I have 100%, and I have a zoom to selection. First off, I'm going to work with just the zoom. So if I click on this, and I go ahead and click on 200% and click OK, you notice I've now just zoomed in on this upper corner of my worksheet and I'm seeing it much larger. To go back to my regular view, I'm just going to click on the 100% button. To decrease my magnification, I can go up here to zoom and I can go to 75%. And I'm going to click on OK. And now you'll notice that I'm seeing the entire worksheet in one view, and it's 75%. It's still fairly readable. And again, I'm going to go back up to 100%. Now, sometimes you're working with just a specific area of your worksheet, and you want to zoom into that. If I go ahead and select from my A1 through my E7, I can come up and click on my Zoom to Selection, and now I'm looking at just that range. Now, let's look down here at the slide zoom. This is another way that we can zoom in and out. And here you'll see it says 308%, so I'm really zoomed in. I can also zoom in and out along here. If you notice, I've got this plus and minus, and in the middle, I've got an arrow. And when I hold it, I can move it in either direction. Now, getting it back to 100% means lining it up right there in the middle. And right next to it to the left here, you'll see at what magnification you're at any time. Now, another way to look at your screen is with a full screen view. The full screen view allows you to remove the ribbon and see a larger portion of your spreadsheet without changing the magnification. It's also a good view for presenting information. To go to full screen, again, I need to be on my View tab. And I'm going to come over to my workbook views and I'm going to click on full screen. Now you'll notice all I have is my title bar. My ribbon, my formula bar, and such is gone. And now I can go ahead and see, in this case, my entire worksheet. And as you can see, this is a pretty good view if you want to present information. To take full screen off, I just push my escape key.